Welcome to Gelous Nail Art Tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to do matte nails with a gloss tip. Let's get into it. Using the curved side of the Gelous nail file, gently push back your cuticles. Using the fine side of the nail file your nails to the desired shape. Using the fine side of the nail file, gently buff the entire surface of each nail. Pay attention to the sides of the nail and make sure the whole nail appears dull from the buffing. Brush away the buffing dust with the Gelous dust brush. Apply nail polish remover to a lint-free wipe and thoroughly clean your nails. Apply a thin coat of nail primer and leave it to air dry. Apply a thin coat of clear rubber base coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply a thin coat of Milky pink builder gel and cap the free edge. This is called a slip layer. You don't want to cure this step. Apply a small bead of builder gel and push it towards the cuticle area, ensuring it does not touch the skin. Gently move the builder gel from left to right, working up the nail, then cap the free edge. Using your thin nail art brush, pull some builder gel up the nail as this will help even out the application. Alternatively, you can do 1 to 2 thin coats, curing after each coat. Cure for 60 seconds. If your builder gel has bulked the free edge, gently file your nails back to shape. Apply nail polish remover to a lint-free wipe and thoroughly clean your nails. Apply 1 to 2 thin coats of Melancholia and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply a thin coat of matte top coat. Cure for 60 seconds. Using regular top coat, apply a thin coat to the top of your silicone nail stamper. Gently press into the tip of your nail and move it from side to side to create a French tip. Using your thin nail art brush, tidy any areas needed before curing. Cure for 30 seconds. Apply Gelous Cuticle Oil around your nails and rub into your skin to nourish and moisturize. Thanks for watching.